Okay, here we go. Here is the beast, or what will be the beast. It's the Lee & 011 Dynamic for the case. Got ROG Strix X570E gaming for the motherboard. Got a Ryzen 9 3900. It's got 12 cores, 24 thread processor. Got XPG Spectra D41 RAM. It's 36 megahertz. Got 16 gigs. For the operating system, got a Corsair MP300 NVMe 240 gigabit SSD. Then I also have a Intel SSD 6 1 terabyte NVMe storage. Got the thermal tape Smart Pro RGB 750 watt power supply. Have the EVGA Black 2080 Ti for the graphics card. I also have the Castle 360EX RGB all-in-one cooler for the CPU. And last but not least, thing I've been waiting on for a month, the Cooler Master SF360R RGB fans. And that's it. Just time to put it together now. All right, bye.